Welcome back to the KashyapTech. This is the 12th part of the this tutorial. So let's start with the part 12. So basically in this we will going to be covered the topic, adding a bit of transferring topic like creating the package, and we will discuss about the data conversion. What is data conversion in SSIS package? So basically the data conversion is a component of SSIS to convert data type from one type to another type. Data conversion means conversion of data type of a column to another data type before it reach the destination of data warehouse. If we want to convert any data type of data which comes from source, then conversion is the best of such a scenario before loading it to destination. Okay, so what is so why we need data conversion? So basically data comes from various source in a different format. We will have a different type of source like CSV, Excel, Notepad, SQL. All the format we first take it in ETL process, that is extract, transfer, transform and loading. So when we extract the data, it is obvious that the data type used will not be the same. We may come to know that the some data is in wrong format. Let's say the numeric data is so as a string type. This happen in SSIS many times during the ETL process when we extract the data from text file or CSV file. So to correct this problem in SSIS, we need to do data conversion so that the data uh, load properly to destination data warehouse in the proper format. To understand more better than do an example on the same, so let's here we will uh, under our data source as a like a notepad. I have a data, you can see here, like I have created one txt file where in a notepad where I have put the some data like which are history of unit measure code, and this will be going to my in this table like a destination unit measure. I will truncate this, and then let's start with the example and let's see if data is coming or not, and how we will going to use the data conversion in that. So this is the example of flat file. So let's I will do the delete this part, then we'll set up again, not this, only data conversion will do delete. So let's pull the data conversion from the SSIS toolbox. You will get the in a common folder. So you can see data conversion is there. Then it's showing some details about the data conversion, like convert data from one data type to another. Converted data is returned to a new output column. For example, convert data from column of decimal type to an output column of an integer type, and convert ANSI string data to Unicode. So suppose if I connect this source to destination directly, so what's happening, it's throwing some error. Basically I have already said this, so that's why it's so. First I will remove that one. Okay, delete and map. Okay, now it's configured correctly. Now you can map this. It's already mapped. Okay, but still showing error. So if you see, it's showing column unit measure code cannot convert between Unicode and non-Unicode string data type. Basically, when you are pulling the data from the source, so it's a data type, it's a different. If you click on the advanced editor and go to the input and output property and see your unit, like is a string dtstr, name string dtstr, and this one also is string, but your destination table data type it's different. If you see here by right clicking on a advanced editor input, then the data type it must be like it's different, unicode unicode string. There was a dtstr. Okay, here is a database timestamp, so we have to convert this into the matching data type with the source. So then only the data will get transferred from source to destination. So in that case we use data conversion. So let's map it and map it. Now we have to select all the column, and we have to select the data type as per the destination table column. So all the both table like a unit measure code and name was Unicode DTWSTR, correct? And 1 minute. And the modified date was the database timestamps DBSTM DB timestamp, correct? Now let's see if its error is gone or not, because you can see here is that there is a error in a destination component. It's still there. Why? Let's see why it's coming. Just you have to first map this column with the correct one, name and copy name. Here is a copy of modified date. Sorry, it's a unit measure, correct? So copy unit measure and name, it's a modified. There is a no go. Okay, 1 minute. This is one and this is one. Now it's correctly mapped. Now let's see if this error is coming or not. Okay, click OK. Yep, now the error is gone. It's just a warning, and you can see the data is converted perfectly as per the destination. So now if you try to run this, it will get run successfully. Yep, 38 rows transfer from source to destination. If you see here in a database, the table get the data, all the data in a columns. Okay, yeah, that's it about the data conversion. If you have any doubt or anything feedback, then please let me know in the comments. And thank you so much.